Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to review DFY Authority, that is Done For You Authority. Well, if I review this platform in just one line, that would be this is the smartest and easiest way of earning big money online. So there you have it. Now that doesn't mean you have to go right now. You have to stick to this video to the very end because I'm going to give you some bonuses which will help you grow your online presence and earn massive profits with this. So let's get started. What is DFY Authority? That is Done For You Authority. Well, if you are into websites, so you would know a domain name with good authority has its own value. A domain name with good backlinks is always rated higher into the search engines and has good reputation. A domain name with high authority and good backlinks is always expensive. Domain authority helps search engine to list these domain names higher into its search results and ensuring search engines that this domain name is legit and is having good reputation. With these type of domain names, you can drive massive traffics on your website, blogs, or any other type of website that you have associated with this domain name. A good authority domain name is always ranked higher in the search engines because they find it legit and assuring. That is why the search engines like Google, Yahoo, Bing, etc. rank these websites higher. Also, domain name which is having a backlink from websites like Wikipedia or any other similar website makes the domain very valuable and expensive. These types of domains are sold for thousands and thousands of dollars. Yes, you heard me right. The domain name with high authority and good backlinks are always expensive and are sold at thousands and thousands of dollars. So, what is domain reselling? Domain reselling is purchasing a domain name with high authority and good backlinks and then selling it to other people and businesses for thousands and thousands of dollars. But you know, finding such domains are really very hard and only is done by good quality professionals. This is where DFY Authority comes in. DFY Authority helps you picking up these type of high authority domain names with good backlinks and arranging them together at one place, from where you can buy that domain name under $10 and resell this domain name for thousands and thousands of dollars. This is what make it a unique business idea and a very revolutionary product. DFY Authority has a bot built into its system which automatically detects the domain names which are expired and are having good backlinks and high authority. This bot works each day and every day 24/7 to just finding that and listing all those expired domain names into its platform where you can go and purchase. So are you ready to convert your $10 investment into $1,000 profit? Let me tell you how it works. Step 1 is you have to log into DFY Authority. Then in step 2 you have to search for the domain name which you like. The third one is you have to purchase this domain name which is under $10. The fourth one where you have to flip this domain by following the step-by-step flipping guide mentioned in this platform. Number 5th, this is very interesting. Here you can repeat the step 1 to 4 as many times as you want so that you have a good number of domain names registered under your name. Now when you have these domain names bought and registered under your name, you can resell these domain names for thousands of dollars and you can turn your $10 investment into profit. So what are the benefits of DFY Authority? You can earn massive profits from these domains just by flipping the domain names. You can boost the Google rankings if you use these domain names for your own website, your own blog, or if you resell this website to someone else, to your client, and you build a website for them, you can have a very good Google ranking in the Google search engine. You have the chances to get your website up on the first page without doing any work on your site. You can use these domain names to redirect to your client's website, which will help them rank higher into the Google. No work is needed on your part. You don't need to go to any place to find this domain name, to search for them, to buy this. All this is done at one single place, which is DFY Authority. There you can go, search, find and purchase. Everything is at just one place. You don't need any kind of experience for doing this. Even if you are brand new to this domain reselling niche, this is really good platform where you do not need to have any experience. You can just get a domain name and start making money in days. Major exclusivity. The domain names which you will find in this platform are not available on any other competitive platform. So that means you have full control in what you purchase and how you sell it. The next is only real authority domains are available. So the bot which finds domain names for you, that domains have real authority assigned to it and have good backlinks. These domain names are either from .gov sites, .edu sites or from many more other sites. So it means it have legitimate and real value assigned to this domain. It will assure you to get good profits on your investment. Okay, here is the part. where I'm going to give you bonuses with this DFY Authority. I have mentioned the purchasing links down in the description below. If you click on this link today and purchase this DFY Authority, what benefit you will get is you will get some early buying benefits such as the one-click DFY publishing store. That means you can click publish and it will be available inside the store for the purchasers to purchase your domain name. Bonus number 2, DFY agency rights. This means you can buy the domain name on behalf of your clients and you will be able to rent this domain name to your clients. So you can charge monthly rentals or some amount of money periodically from them. Bonus number 3, you will get a quick start guide for the expired domains where you can go read about it and try to understand how this facility works and how you can benefit you and your business with DFY. Bonus number 4 is you will get the ultimate guide on how to make profits with these expired domains and start making profits with these purchased domain names. And the final bonus which you will get is live 90-minute training session from DFY Authority. So after these bonuses, let me tell you about the launch of DFY Authority. The launch of DFY Authority is set on 3rd December 2020 and it will continue until 7th December 2020. Okay, now concluding things, if you're planning to get into this domain reselling businesses, if you want to earn big money just from your home by just investing $10 and earning thousands of dollars in return, you just found out a very good platform where you can go purchase your domain name right now and you can start making profits in matter of days. My MB ratings for this platform is 4.6 out of 5. So get your domain name registered today by clicking the link mentioned in the description and you will get these bonuses, a very good platform to start, and you will start earning money with this. So thank you for watching and I'll see you in next one.